Hey guys, tonight we did haddock on the griddle. I got the recipe from the Blackstone site and it turned out amazing. So stay tuned, here we go. And here comes the intro. Alright, so let's go with these fries. So we have some russet potatoes, peeled, washed off in, well, soaking in water for about 15 minutes, salt water, and then dried. Have a little bit of oil down, and we're doing about medium heat. Throw a little extra oil because it's our friend. And also some salt and pepper. And I'm just going to mix these up while I have the salt and pepper on there. But this is going to take a bit. Actually, I have the first three on, so I'm going to go ahead and use all three. Spread these out. Trying to make them all single stack. Keep them in the hot spots. So you can see they're starting to brown up a little bit. It's been maybe about 5-10 minutes. So keep moving them around a little bit. Try to do single stack so they all get some love from the griddle. Now I got this recipe right from the Blackstone site. I'll put a link to that down in the description, and I'll also put everything we've used on here too. Let these sit a little bit. All right, here we go. Fries finished up. I got them off to the side. I have the heat at about this one. Yeah, they're all about medium high. So I just have the left two on right now. I don't want to burn the fries. So now's the fun part. Got the haddock. Oh, this is gonna drip all over. I'll just drip that over here. So the batter, yep, that's too close. The batter is down in the description. It's also right on the Blackstone website. And we actually had to, we took the skin off the side of the haddock. We figured it probably tastes a lot better battered up without the skin. And last one. So let me go ahead and get this gross glove off. And we'll take that inside. So this, actually once I flip them, we're gonna get some more oil going here. And the batter's off of this one. That's all right, this will be a batterless one. And you really want about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And you want to be trying to pretend to deep fry them, which is why there's so much oil I have on here. Alright guys, so here it is. Turned out great. Take a little taste here. And here we go. This is great. The this batter has a nice little crunch to it. These fries turned out amazing. I did put a little bit of Old Bay on the fries. But, well, thanks for watching. Again, everything's down in the description on how you can make this yourself. Subscribe if you haven't already. And check out some of my other videos. We'll see you next time. Thanks.